Imagine building a skyscraper. The foundation must be solid. It follows a strict plan, but the interior, that's different. It can change. It evolves with the client's preferences. In this lecture, we will talk about blending project management approaches, mixing agile and waterfall. Each has strengths, together they're stronger. Here is what you will know: why blending project management approaches works, how to combine agile with traditional methods, examples of hybrid approaches in action. Not every project fits neatly into one method. Mixing agile and waterfall gives you flexibility. Agile offers the ability to adapt to changes, such as shifting client needs or unexpected challenges. Waterfall, on the other hand, provides a structured framework to guide the overall direction of the project. Balance. Agile thrives on iterative progress and frequent updates, while waterfall ensures the delivery of clear, predefined milestones. Together, they create a balanced approach that combines adaptability with long term planning, meeting diverse needs. Hybrid approaches can satisfy the needs of various stakeholders. Agile keeps clients and teams engaged with frequent updates, while Waterfall addresses the structured requirements of regulators and compliance standards. Picture a puzzle. Every piece has its place. It builds a clear picture. That's Waterfall. Now, picture a blank canvas. You can change the painting as you go. That's Agile. Together, they're better. The puzzle gives structure, the canvas gives freedom. Blending agile and waterfall combines precision with creativity. It lets you build something strong and adaptable. Blending agile and traditional project management, waterfall, allows you to benefit from the strengths of both approaches. Use waterfall to define the overall roadmap, such as compliance requirements, budgets, and timelines. Then, agile will be applied to tackle specific tasks or sections in smaller, iterative steps. For example, a bank uses waterfall to ensure regulatory compliance for its software. Meanwhile, the user interface is built iteratively using agile, with improvements made based on customer feedback. Start with waterfall to set the project's big picture goals. You may set foundational structures or critical milestones. Then transition to agile sprints to handle evolving details and dynamic tasks. For instance, a construction company uses waterfall for structural tasks. Then, agile takes over the design of interiors based on client input. Use waterfall for formal, scheduled progress updates to stakeholders, such as quarterly reports. Complement this with Agile's frequent informal updates like demos or feedback sessions. For example, a product team meets quarterly with executives, waterfall, and bi weekly with users for feedback, Agile. While blending both project management approaches has benefits, there are also some underlying challenges that may arise. We have studied the fact that Agile functions on adaptability and continuous feedback, while Waterfall follows a fixed plan with defined milestones. These conflicting approaches can create tension in project execution. Agile teams work with frequent informal updates, while Waterfall teams may rely on formal reports. This difference can lead to misunderstanding or delays. Managing two approaches simultaneously can make project coordination more complicated, especially with overlapping workflows. So, the project may become complex if both approaches are applied. Waterfall plans the budget and timeline. Agile tests add ideas and tweaks the message. Waterfall ensures regulatory approvals. Agile improves the product with customer feedback. Reflect on a project you've worked on. How could a hybrid approach improve it? Write one page. Thank you for listening. Blending methods isn't just smart, it is necessary for complex projects. Agile and waterfall are tools. Use them well. What stood out to you in this lecture? What did not? Let me know. Share your thoughts in the comment section.